Never lose a lead again. Watch how I take these messy notes and actually create a follow-up plan within 5 minutes. Okay, so here is all the notes that I got from this lead. I wrote it all down while we were on this call. And basically, I want to quickly just give this to my AI and actually just have it create this system for me. I'm going to open my AI right here. I'm going to ask it the first question. So I would like it to take from this note, right? And then from there, I'm going to ask it. First, I'm going to ask it to actually propose 3 follow-up angles. So here's that. And I press enter, and then it starts to think for me. So as you see, it basically created a summary from the last notes, which is cool. And then it gives me 3 follow-up angles. One being the impossible to forget type of angle, right? And then another is the 1030 quick win proof. Okay, cool. And then we have the DM task and 60s input line. Let's see. I think I like the impossible to forget, so I'm going to just tell it I like the first one. Like the first one. Okay. And then I'm going to ask it to create a follow-up task with due dates between my work hours, and make sure to have a reminder. And then relate any tasks to the lead profile that I have, because for every lead that I have, there is a profile that I create, and then any active projects. So let's see. So it says here exactly what it did. It says that the task was created and wired up. So basically, here's the title of what's going on, and then the actual due date to do. So this is the actual task, and then it's related to Alex. So if I go and view this, a task has been created, a reminder has been set, it's urgent and important for me, so the priority is already set, so it's good to go. As long as my Notion tells me where I'm going to go, that's where I'm going to show up. Next is, once I get to this task, well, what lead is this connected to? No problem, it's already linked right down here, so I can easily come here and open it up. So from here, I can actually see who Alex is, business that's he connected to, because this is his actual profile. There is a follow-up date where I do get a notification to actually just follow up with him in his actual profile. So not only do I have a task, but I can also add it to his profile. Then from there, if I wanted to pop into his LinkedIn or anything like that, I can do that. That link is there. I can see all the tasks that's connected to this actual lead. And then also nurture notes. So it built out a nurture note for me to reach back out to him. So once I do reach out back out to Alex, I can easily go back into these nurture notes and be like, who is Alex again? Why did I want to reach out to them? Where did we leave off? Well, all of that is sitting right here. So I could easily toggle this down and read it quickly, that quick, from just going from a call, cleaning up those notes, actually throwing in and creating a lead profile and updating that lead profile, all within 5 minutes.